In this video I'll be showing you what economic data is, and more importantly how economic data releases can affect the forex market and how you can profit from them. Okay, so this chart I've currently got up is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, and this is a 15-minute chart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the forex calendar. This is a website called Forex Factory. You can use this, or we do have one on our website as well, but basically all economic calendars are very similar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you yesterday's news and how you could have profited from it. So basically, yes, this is UK time minus 1 hour, but basically it's the same time as the chart here. Okay. So yesterday at 1:30 AM we had some big Australian news, okay, which affects the Australian dollar. And as you can see, at 1:30 AM we had the Australian unemployment rate numbers come out, and they were forecast at 5.3%, and the number was 5.2%. This is considered as a good number, okay, so you can see it came out and it's green. And also the employment change numbers were forecast at 6.4 thousand, but the actual number was 44,000. So 44,000 more jobs were added into the Australian economy. So this is very good for the currency, because people, a lot of investors will see this and they think, oh, obviously the Australian economy is doing very well. The employment rate is going down. Previously it was 5.3% and now it's 5.2%, and 44,000 more jobs were added into the economy. And as you can see, this news came out at 1:30 AM. So what we can do, when you could have traded this live, if I'll zoom in on the chart so you can see it more clearly, but this big green candle here was at 1:30 AM. So as soon as this news came out, you could have then bought. You could see you could have made quite a few pips. I mean, the opening price of that candle was 1.0306, and that candle went all the way up to 1.0366. So within 15 minutes, you could have made 30 pips there. Even if you change to the 5-minute chart, you can see it more clearly. So in fact, in that opening 5 minutes, so that's the 1:30 candle to the 1:35 AM candle, you could have made 30 pips within 5 minutes. So this is one way that you can trade via fundamental analysis, is purely by looking for these economic data releases that they basically come out each day. The best ones to look for are the high impact news, which on this certain calendar comes out as red. So the red news is the really high impact one, and the orange is medium impact news. But if you want to make lots of pips in a short amount of time, then if you're very quick, as soon as this number comes out, then you can react according to it. So let's say if both of these numbers were red here, so let's say the Australian employment change number, they didn't add any jobs, and you could have sold very fast. But as you can see in this previous example here, for the Australian news, the news was very good, and the price went up 30 pips within 5 minutes. So it's one way to make a quick amount of pips, and lots of pips in not a lot of time. Okay, I hope you found that video useful.